How to buy gift cards with Venmo. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. So today, let's get started. Open up your Chrome browser in your PC and at the top search bar, go ahead and type in egifter.com. Once you land onto its homepage, you will see Buy Gift Cards. If you don't see this option, you can also go ahead and click on Buy Gift Cards tab. Now you can choose all these feature cards. For instance, if you go ahead and choose eGifter Choice Card, you need to read this terms and condition and check the box that says I understand the above and I'm ready to complete my order. Once you have read all this condition, go on to continue. Under below option, you can either send this gift card to a friend or buy it for yourself. Let's move ahead with send to a friend. Under here, you can either change your value of your card from these given options. Scroll below and enter your name, your gift recipient's name, and your method of delivery. Once you have filled up all this information, you can go ahead and click on Add to Cart. Just like so, you will receive this gift via your email address. So this is how you buy gift cards with Venmo. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe for more.